Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDT from Binance to your debit card in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a verified Binance account. This is crucial for security and to enable withdrawals. You'll also need some USDT in your spot wallet and a debit card linked to your Binance profile. If you haven't linked your card yet, head over to the settings and add it now. Step 1. Log into your Binance account using your email, phone, or other preferred method. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section at the top of the page. Here, you'll see all your assets, including USDT. Step 2. Select USDT from your wallet overview. Click on Withdraw next to it. You'll be prompted to choose a withdrawal method. Go ahead and select Debit Card from the options available. Remember, availability might vary based on your region, so double-check that. Step 3. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and fees, which are usually displayed here. For example, in 2025, Binance might charge a small fee, so factor that into your plans. Step 4. Review all the details carefully, including the recipient's debit card information. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. If you haven't already, it's a must for security. Hit Confirm, and follow any additional verification steps, like entering a code sent to your phone. Once submitted, your withdrawal request will be processed. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion and Binance's verification. Keep an eye on your email for confirmations. A quick tip: always withdraw to a card from a reputable bank and never share your private keys or sensitive info. If you're new to crypto, start small to avoid any mishaps. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.